In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a subscription with multiple products in Stripe. Start by opening your Stripe dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Billing, and then select Subscriptions. This is where you can view existing subscriptions and create new ones. Next, click Create Subscription to begin setting up a new subscription. Stripe will open the subscription creation page, where you can enter the customer and product details. Now choose the customer for this subscription. You can search for an existing customer if the person or business is already in your account. If not, you can create a new customer directly from this screen. Make sure the correct customer is selected before moving on, since the subscription, invoices, and payment history will all be tied to that profile. After that, add the first product to the subscription. Click Add Product, then choose the recurring price for the product you want to include. If the product uses quantity-based billing, enter the quantity as needed. Stripe will use the selected recurring price to determine how this item is billed on each cycle. To include more than one product in the same subscription, click Add Product again. Repeat this process for each additional product you want to add. For every item, select the correct recurring price and update the quantity if necessary. This lets you combine multiple recurring products under a single subscription for the same customer. Once your products are in place, configure the billing settings. Choose the billing start date that should apply to the subscription. Then select the payment collection method. Depending on your setup, you may choose to charge automatically or send an invoice. If needed, also assign the default payment method so Stripe knows which payment source to use for future charges. Before creating the subscription, review everything carefully. Confirm that all products have been added correctly. Check the quantities, prices, and billing intervals for each item. Also review any taxes, discounts, or other billing details that apply. This final check helps prevent billing errors and ensures the customer is charged exactly as intended. When everything looks correct, click Create Subscription. Stripe will then activate the subscription using the products and billing settings you selected. The customer will now have a single subscription that includes multiple recurring products. That covers everything you need to know.